The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there again, yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to tell you from right now that one or two of these videos might be shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Now the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a vendor. Allegedly it is said that the video shows what happened when a vendor urinated in a container right at a place where the vendor do business. The video also shows a structure that some persons might call a stall that the vendor used to do business. The video also shows when the vendor dipped the container in a bucket and then throw liquid on the ground that might be urine. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where or when the video will be recorded. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the vendor actually urinated in the container or if you think the vendor did not urinated in the container. Because if the things that have been said on social media about this video are true, then I think it is really bad. Now, I'm going to present the video to you, and please bear in mind that this video shows some things that might be shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. This video shows liquid that might be urine. I'm not going to present the audio of the video to you because of copyright reasons, and I'm going to slow the video down a little, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look. Observe. My people, did that vendor really and truly urinated in the container? What do you think? Do you think the vendor really and truly urinated in the container? In my point of view, it seems so, but I can't confirm if the vendor actually really and truly urinated in the container. See? Because sometimes coincidence can make things look away, you know. But on a real, that look away. Tell me what you think, my people. Now, I saw a video posted on social media where it is said that Kirk Franklin's son made at least one video of a phone conversation or phone conversations between him and his father and posted on social media. It is said that Kirk Franklin used some indecent language during the phone conversation or phone conversations between him and his son because he was angry at his son. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you that I saw. I got the understanding that the video had been posted on social media months ago. Alright? And you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that you are about to hear in this video. You see? Now, some harsh language had been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Okay, if you think I'm bringing this paper, let me say it like this. When your bitch ass starts disrespecting, you need to get your skinny motherfucking ass back out the goddamn way before I put my foot in your ass. Because I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Shut the fuck up. I'm old. I will punch your neck, nigga, if you ever disrespect me.
I did it. He just hung up the phone. I'll break your neck. Is that a threat?
Well, my people, we are all just human beings, you know. Sometimes we do get angry, and sometimes out of anger we might say and do things that we don't even mean, you see? Yeah, so it's best to try our best not to let our anger get the best of us, you know what I mean? Yeah, don't let our anger get to the point where we do certain things or say certain things that might escalate the whole situation to a bad point and we regrets and all these things. No, not do that. See, alright, so I saw a video posted on social media that shows Kirk Franklin, and in the video Kirk Franklin said some things that gave me the understanding that he apologized for those indecent language that had been used during certain incident between him and his son. You see me? So at least him apologize and big up Kirk Franklin. You see me? Yeah, he apologized to the public, I should say. See it? So big up Kirk Franklin. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a musician who goes by the name of Ayactin and other persons having a conversation about the country that is known as Jamaica, or about some things that happen within the country that is known as Jamaica. I would like you to listen to the things that have been said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that have been said in this video. You see? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Every single parish in this country had a hospital. Single parish in this country had a hospital. No matter where you were in this country and you fell sick, you were never more than half an hour away from a hospital.
Or a clinic.
Somebody who shall remain nameless, guys, me open my mouth, I hear some politics me a chat. Close them down.
Wow.
Turn them into health centers, and those that weren't health centers, them locked them down. That was the time when the majority of our nurses migrated to the United States and England because they had no work.
Brain that again. Brain chain. Continue.
There was a time, I tell you why people hate things. Life is about the landlord versus the landless.
Wow. I like the analogy.
There was a time in Jamaica when, I keep saying it, I've said it for years, I mean, I'll say it again till them son me. Jamaica is the largest remaining plantation on earth, undergoing the longest slave revolt in history.
Give man a round of applause. Give man a round of applause, the man.
That is why.
Give man a round of applause.
Hold on, Afian, you just hear them thing here. Him teach me amigos every night. Him teach me amigos this every night.
Continue, brother.
That's how we are listening. That's how we are listening. Because we are learn.
That is why you have people who are bleached to reach.
Gone.
When you have a nation who looks in the mirror every morning and don't like what they see, you don't have to fight him. He's killing himself.
That's why I say education, brother. Because at the end, brother.
No, let me show you the history of how it works. Unfortunately, it's facts. So if it comes across as political, I'm sorry, but it's facts. Every single thing you currently take for granted in this country as an institution was built by one party above and beyond the objections of another. Do you know no Rastaman should ever pay to go to the stadium? You didn't know that? There was a major games around the 60s supposed to be held in Jamaica, and the government at the time was headed by Norman Manley, and Shearer didn't want him to have the kudos of creating the stadium to do these games, so he called a strike through the BITU. Norman Manley went up into the hills of Warika and got all of the Rastafarian stone cutters. The first time in the history of Jamaica that Rastafarians worked on a building site. All the stonework you see at the National Stadium was built by Rasta. You still with me?
Yeah, me I learn. Cause first, me never know them as something. Me I learn.
There was a time when certain schools were reserved for them down at the slave quarters. Other schools were designed for the overseers' children and the master's children. Norman Manley said, enough, and he created common entrance exam. You hear the name? Common entrance exam. It meant that if you were bright enough to pass the exam, you could choose whichever school you wanted to go.
And Norman Manley create common entrance.
Norman Manley created common entrance examination.
Wow. Continue.
And there was a big war about it. Then people got bummy because what it meant was that the man who had him 2.5 children, let me explain the 2.5 children to you. He had 2 children with his wife, and the one him considered half, the outside picnic with the helper. So them couldn't go, them had to go to the bottom school. When Norman created the common entrance, the outside picnic could now go to the upper school.
You see, you acting and you need us to turn a wicked.
No, him a old G. Him can't get away with that.
I like that. I'm Bobby this, you know. It's a bad comedian, you know. Me this say that.
Yeah, no, him a old G.
Acting, wait,
Bobby can get away with it, but if you
acting,
ever
wait, just set up, please.
If you ever say better.
Set
All
up,
right,
wait.
Bobby. Say the next school, please. Can say.
It's okay. I'm noticing that Dufton get bummy when you say bottom. It must know why.
And a bombing. But exactly over
Okay.
50. You don't know when Bobby, Bobby. Listen and learn, but don't rap with Bobby him out in crafty.
All right, Bobby. Go on, Bobby.
You can move on.
Wonder why? Why?
So now the man have a problem because all of his children are going to the same set of schools.
And this is a particular person that is in society you're speaking about.
Not particular
Okay,
persons.
Okay, continue, yes.
Okay. Now, they are the ones who are the precursor to the landed gentry you call the business people of
Private
today.
sectors. Continue.
Yes, them. Then Michael came along and caught the game because they still had a little comfort zone because you could pass for the school, but you couldn't afford the fees. And Michael made it free education. Which means that if you pass, you don't need no money if you go there. There are a number of doctors and lawyers currently practicing in Jamaica who would never have been lawyers or doctors if it wasn't for free education.
True.
Okay. Now, Michael wasn't just satisfied that him could send the half picnic go to school with him brother or sister. Michael created the unforgivable sin. Michael got up one day and said, "No bastard, not there again. You say you're an encyclopedia. I am WikiLeaks."
Wow. First, me I hear some of them things that still know me people. It's good to listen to your elders, you know. Yeah, it's good to listen to someone who is of experience, somebody that born before you, someone who know certain things in decades that you don't exist, you don't even born. See? Good to show them manners, show them respect, listen, learn from them. You see me? Because I never know or even hear anything about some of the things that the person talked about. See? Me can't confirm if they're actually true, but at least me I hear these things. So now I can go do some research and see what I want. You see? Me name have an idea about some of them things that what the person talk about. You see what I say? So yeah. You see? Oh yeah, and that person you see in the video explaining certain things about the country of Jamaica. I talk about the country of Jamaica. That person is an actor, you know. You ever watch an episode of Royal Palm Estate before? Yeah, that person is an actor. Anyways, so I just have left it now. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in Dancehall Skilla, and big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla. Tint.